And our persimmon puddings are done. If you would like to have these pudding bowls in front of you right now, please leave an orange heart in the comments down below. Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. In this video, you're gonna learn how to make a persimmon pudding. This is one of my all-time favorite meals in this entire world, and I sincerely hope that in this video you're gonna learn how you too can enjoy this divine pudding, persimmon pudding. Let's go straight to today's recipe. The ingredients that you're gonna need are: first and foremost, notice that there are several persimmon types. The basic division of persimmons is into flattened looking persimmons called fuyu and acorn looking ones called hachia. But even among these varieties, there are different sub-varieties that differ in shape, color, texture, and taste. Here you see one fuyu, that's the flattened one, persimmon, and two hachia, that's these round acorn-looking ones. Notice now that these two round persimmons differ in color and texture. This is the so-called fuyu persimmon, flattened in shape without a astringent effect, which means it can be eaten even before it is fully ripe. However, I highly recommend that if you have fuyu persimmons, leave them at room temperature long enough until they are completely soft and only then eat them. You will see how much sweeter and tastier they become in comparison when they are hard. This is a hachia persimmon that is fully ripe. Look how soft and juicy it is. Its skin has completely thinned and turned almost red. This is a hachia persimmon that is not quite ripe yet. If I left it at room temperature for a few more weeks, it would probably ripen completely, becoming very soft and sweet. Although, to tell you the truth, sometimes I'm not clear with persimmon varieties either, because I have the feeling that this red persimmon is a completely different variety compared to this orange persimmon. I think that the level of ripeness is not the only difference between these hachia persimmons. From my personal experience, the best pudding is made with hachia, that is the round ones, that are not too soft. You will recognize them by their bright orange color. These persimmons are not tasty when eaten hard like this, but they are perfect for making a thick pudding. We are now making pudding with orange hachia persimmons that are not fully ripe and soft. The list of all ingredients and equipment, as well as the written recipe, can be found on my website healthglows.net. Just click the link below the video for the written recipe. To make the pudding, you can use a blender or, as I do, a Magimix food processor. You can order the Magimix food processor on amazonglows.com via the link below this video. The first step in food preparation is, of course, to wash the food in clean water. It is extremely important that the water you wash your food in is clean, because that water will end up in your body. I use a thankless reverse osmosis water filter, which you can order on amazonglows.com via the link below this video. Everything is ready to make the pudding. Hachia persimmons that are not too soft, pudding bowls, and our trusty Magimix. Remove the stems and leaves from the persimmons with a knife. peel the persimmons. Peeling is optional because even when you blend the persimmons with their peels on, you will get a delicious pudding. Note that some persimmons have seeds inside of them and some are seedless. Be sure to check if they have seeds, and if they do, remove them. Cut 2 thin persimmon slices. With a heart-shaped mold, or whatever shape you want, make 2 persimmon hearts. Chop the rest of the persimmons. If you use a Magimix food processor like me, prepare the large S plate, the blender mix, and the whisk attachment. Originally intended for egg yolks, but in our case for persimmons. Noise damage is accumulative, which means it is very important to protect your precious inner ear sound receptors with ear muffs. You can order high-quality ear muffs on amazongloves.com via the link below this video. Pour the pudding into the pudding bowl, leaving about 2 tablespoons of the pudding in the Magimix bowl. And now place the whisk attachment in the bowl with the rest of the pudding. Grate some cinnamon into the same bowl with the pudding. Of course, let's protect the ears with ear muffs. You can order high-quality ear muffs on amazongloves.com via the link below this video. And this is where the magic happens. When we open the top lid during the whisking process, the air is pulled into the mixture, and this is how the mixture becomes fluffy. Let me tell you right away, I believe that it is not a healthy practice to pull air molecules into food. But this is how you get this special texture and taste of food. And this, my dears, is persimmon whipped cream on top of persimmon pudding. These are the small details that level up the whole dish. Now we repeat the whole process with the rest of the persimmons, but this time we add a teaspoon of raw carob powder. The pudding is ready. We just have to make the so-called whipped cream. we set the whisk and whisk the rest of the pudding to get the fluffy texture. As the saying goes, icing on a cake. I mean, icing on a pudding. And a few more finishing touches, such as a heart on top of the cream. When it comes to carob powder, I would just like to draw your attention to the fact that a lot of carob powder on the market has been roasted. So make sure you buy raw carob powder, which you can get on amazonglows.com. And our persimmon puddings are done. If you would like to have these pudding bowls in front of you right now, please leave an orange heart in the comments down below. Finally, let's try this pudding. Perfection of taste and texture. I sincerely hope that you have enjoyed watching this video and that you will gladly make this delicious raw vegan persimmon pudding. Just look at it. Just look how perfect it is. It is so delicious and healthy and creamy and just deliciousness. Please let me know in the comments, would you like that this persimmon pudding is right now in front of you? Let me know in the comments. And I sincerely hope that your answer is yes, because it would be my honor to serve you. If this video means anything to you, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscription button so that you can enjoy all the upcoming videos that I'm preparing for you with lots of love. And in those new videos, you're gonna receive free of charge raw vegan recipes and free education on a raw vegan diet, fitness, and healthy living. If these are the topics that you are interested in, then welcome to my little world, my Health Glows YouTube channel, your place of true natural health. Until the next video, I'm sending you warm regards, and as always, my friends, keep glowing. Bye bye.